बट मेरा चाकू किधर है?
So guys, here we are again with what you know. Ta-da! Unboxing of one more item. Let's do it. So guys, today I'm here again with what you know. Unboxing.
बट मेरा चाकू किधर है? लाओ भाई, कोई तो लाओ।
खुद ही लाना पड़ेगा यार।
अकेले आदमी की ये दिक्कत है। तो ये रहा चाकू और ये रहे हम। आया है ये वहीं से। चलिए करते हैं फिर से शुरू अनबॉक्सिंग के साथ। लेट्स डू। इस बार क्या आइटम आया है? बैट, ग्लव्स और एक वन ऑफ आवर सब्सक्राइबर आस्क्ड इन्होंने बैट, ग्लव्स एंड 2 बैट ऑफर आर देयर, सो दिस विल बी दैट वन। ये वो होगा जिसमें कि एक बैट था, एक बास का बैट था और ग्लव्स थे and some extra gloves. I had ordered it for other players. Let's see, much as it's here. Card of P2. Okay. Wow. Hey, wow. Lovely. और दूर कर दिखाना चाहिए, है कि चलिए अब हम खोल देते हैं। वाह, ये तो ग्लव्स हमने मंगाए थे, ठीक है। ये इसी के भाई हैं, एलिगेटर। ये पहले भी मैंने दिस इज ऑल्सो इन डिफरेंट कलर, ओके, एंड दिस इज इन ब्लू, ओके, एंड वी हैव 2 बैट्स, बास एंड द better one. Again, ये है वो DK बैट। Let's unbox it. देखो इसमें क्या है? This is a blue color. As per the player, he has asked me for a blue one. Actually, it's a very nice glove. I can see it. It's very nice. See? And काफी अच्छा है, ठीक है। You can check this. Very nice quality, very rich. And this is a player edition bat. Okay, cost price if you want. Okay, but this was an offer, so actually it is a very nice profile. It is only $12.99. $12,999. See the profile, man. See the profile. Lovely bat. Nice English willow. Very nice profile. Little bit of curve. Using a good angle. Super. And the other bat is here. The Boss, which will come along with it. And see the grains here. If you see, the price of this bat is 5,000. 5,000 रुपये का बैट है भैया, ठीक है। और ये इस बैट के साथ, and this is coming free with this bat.
along with this one. That day offer was running. One of my friend Karthik has ordered it, and this is a Bass Vampire bat. Very lovely grains. See the grains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grains, 7 pretty grains. So, and the nice profile, you can see, very nice profile, very good color, as he asked for a darker bat because that will be better for him. Nice handle, nice grip. 5,000 along with this, 12,000 this one, 12,000 का तो ये बैट है, 1,500 का ये. It is coming for 6,000 rupees on that day. That offer was running. So Karthik, here is for you, macha. So I'll pack it. And one more thing, guys, I want to show you. See the cover of this one. See the cover of this, the Bass Vampire. Okay, Bass cover. Okay. And now I'll show you the cover of DK Level. Okay, this is the cover of DK. So this is this one here. You should think of what you are getting by paying higher amount of price, plus what is the quality at a better price. Better price means it could be less also. So I'll pack it for him so that I can deliver it to him along with his gloves and cover. Okay? This will be going along with this one because you had asked already for. So everything will be nicely packed, neatly done along with the cover. Okay. So this is the already sold piece, means you can't buy it now because one of our friend has already paid advance for it. He has been delivered tomorrow, hopefully. Lovely kit here. This is really lovely. Now coming to the next part, other two gloves. See, very nice gloves. One of my friend has already asked for this gloves. This is the next level glove. If you can see, I can show you in detail one of the gloves. See the quality of this glove. See the leather inside. Now see this, the protection. Okay, level of different here, different protection. So this is also to one of my friend. If he likes, he can take this one. This is also to one of my friend, and there is two more which has come along with it. These are in different front color, that is blue and orange, and this is the silver color which is already there. So here it is, you can see it. Okay, lovely combination from silver to orange to silver. So you can order it here. These are really good stuff. Means I am not telling you ki aap low and just see the price of this one. If I am telling wrong, just see the price of this one, 4499. So that is the price if it is within your limit. But actually it is not that much. 4499 is that price, and players are buying at that price. But these are really very cheap. Means I can't say the word cheap. Affordable.
Oh my God!
See you guys in one of the next video. and hopefully you like this. Subscribe and share it. If you want to order, message me. Ciao. दोबारा से आ गए हैं। पहले कैमरे में तो हमने लगाने ही भूल गया क्या मेमोरी कार्ड।